guys, so you just ordered your rad stick. Now you need to know how to install it. Make sure that you have glass cleaner. Recommend something ammonia free. I use this Meguiar's, it works for me. And a microfiber cloth. Most important step is preparation. So you want to make sure that you clean the application site where you want to put the decal. We've already decided that we want to put this decal right here. So we'll go ahead and clean this area. The smoother and cleaner your surface is, the better the vinyl is going to adhere and the longer it is going to last. Once you've cleaned your area where you're going to apply the vinyl, just start from a corner and peel the vinyl off of the backing. Very carefully, slowly. Don't do this step until you're ready to install it, so make sure you've cleaned and everything first. Once you've done that, orient your vinyl. Sometimes it helps to hold it up. You can see the vinyl through there, so you can make sure that it's straight and lined up where you want it. Start placing the vinyl. Start with one corner. And while keeping everything straight and even, run across to the other corner. Check your placement, make sure there's nothing down here that you're going to run into. Start from the top and smooth down towards the bottom. From one side to the other. Get it nice and flat. Apply smooth, even pressure to get out all those air bubbles and help the vinyl start to set on the surface that you're installing it on. We've got the transfer tape and the vinyl on our surface. We need to remove the transfer tape so that we can see our final work. Start from one corner and start peeling back in a rolling motion. Just like this. Go slow and keep the transfer tape folded back on itself as much as possible. Boom, you're done. That's how you install a Radstix vinyl. Y'all have a great day. Enjoy your Radstix.